when I got this message, I'm going to show you everything I did and how I was able to close this deal to get $70 for this job that did not take me up to, let's say, 3 hours. Yeah, it did not take me up to 3 hours. So few days ago, I got a message from a client on this account. I'm going to go to this message box right here and I'm going to show you the message. You can see this is the message. So I'm just going to open it up right here, and yeah, so let's just look at the message together. So let me see when I got this message. um april April 6th. Yeah, April 6th. I got this message from this person April 6th, and then I finally closed the deal to work for this person. And I'm going to show you what I did and how I closed the deal for just this amount, $70. Now you may say $70 is not much, but considering the fact that this is just one person, I can make different money from different people. Now imagine making $70 from like 10 people or even more. You get? So now when I got this message, I'm going to show you everything I did and how I was able to close this deal to get $70 for this job that did not take me up to, let's say, 3 hours. Yeah, it did not take me up to 3 hours. It was just a simple design job, and I did it and I delivered to the person, right? So let me just walk you through on how I did it. And by the way, if this is your first time of visiting my channel, this is DigiTrybe. You are welcome to this place. This is a digital place for online entrepreneurs. Here you come here to learn. You go out there, you create your own, and you start earning money for yourself. If you love this kind of videos, please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your bell notification icon so that you get the latest videos from me. All right, with that said, let's just go in. So this person sent me this message, and this is the says, "Hi Ella Jones, can you help me with the book cover for Amazon KDP? This is the title, blah 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 blah, all of that." And then he sent again. I didn't reply at first. Look at the day I replied. Very late. Yeah, I replied very late on the 10th. I said, "Hello, I'm available now. Can we start this project? Blah blah blah. I don't want to waste time on all of this part." He says, "Once you're available, let me know the changes and adjustments you want to make," because the person said they wanted to make adjustments to the book. They've already written the book, but they want to make some adjustment. So then again, the person came and said, "Hi Ella, thank you for your message. I'm still working on the book. I won't be able to give you the number of pages yet. Do you need this to start designing the book?" Yeah, so I came and I said, "The number of pages is only needed for designing the paperback and hardcover. Without this, I can still design the front and back, not the spine. I actually put the spine here, but I can't design the spine, of course, just the front and the back, because already I know that is um 5.5 by 8.5 inches. I'm into Amazon KDP, so I know all of these things and how it works." So we continued. Now look at this place. Let me show you what I did here. Now some clients, when they come to you, they already know how much they want to spend. They know the range. Most of them put it within range. They know what these things, how much these things are worth. So if you're already good and you know your onion, then you should not underprice yourself. One. Secondly, you should not overprice so that you will not scare them away. You need to make sure that you balance it. But then you cannot balance it from your own head, because psychologically you don't know their pocket. You don't know their spending power. You get? So you need to find out that from them, not from you, because you are the freelancer, they are the client, right? So see what I said here. This is what is very, very important when negotiating deals with client and closing that deal. This is very, very important. So I said the number of books, blah 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 blah. After I said all of this, I said I can create a custom order and then go ahead to design the file separately. Okay, no, I'm looking for something. It's okay, good. So after this statement that I made concerning the book, and I said, if you can tell me your budget for the book, for the full book design, front, back, spine, paperback, hardcover, I can create your I can create you a custom order, then go ahead to design the file separately while you work on the book. interior. Now, I did two things here. This is one thing that most people fail to do. The first thing is that I want to seek consent from them to know their budget. Second thing is that I want to tie them down to know that I will be designing this thing for them. Because if you don't do this, they might go to another designer. There are a lot of people on Fiverr. So you can see here I said I can create a custom order for you while I go ahead to design the file separately while we work on the book. So while the person is working, the person already believes that I am working on their design. So it will be a breach of contract on their own part if I after working and they don't come back to me. And most of them already have that consciousness in them. So they will always come back once you do that. And I said, once you are done, I can complete the paperback and hardcover with the number of pages you will send to me. This is okay by you? She now said, my budget is approximately £30. I was like, okay, it's in pounds, not in dollar. I think I would like to publish on Amazon paperback, an ebook, and an audio book, which I can do. Then I came here, see what I said. Now I know their budget, £30 is not bad. And I said, thanks for letting me know your budget. I would really like to work on this project with you. See how I was able to push it a bit up, but not too much. Because £30, if you tell the person, oh, £30 is too small, I can do this thing for £100, they will go away. Because you already know that this person does not have more than so much to spend on this. See what I said? I said, for £30, I could do the ebook cover only, or the ebook plus audio book cover. Since the audiobook is just a resized version. However, the paperback cover takes quite a bit more time, but because it requires the full wrap, front, spine, back, with exact spine width and bleeding margins. Would you be able to do 50 for all three? Because I'm doing paperback, hardcover, audiobook, and even Kindle cover. Of course, all of these things I've mentioned is just one book. Once you get the original design front and back, you can just resize, and you get your job done. But you need to make them appreciate what you're giving them. You need to add value to what you're giving to them. Then they will appreciate it and give you the money you are looking for. So I said, would you be able to do £50 for all three? That will allow me to give you a proper paperback cover that's print ready for Amazon KDP. Let me know if that works for you. Happy to adjust if needed. Now, I did not just remain at $50. I also told the person that I would be happy to adjust if there is any need. So if they say $50 is too much, then I can adjust to like $45. You get. So the person now came back and said, hi Ella, sorry for the late reply. I'm really happy to go with $50 for all three. Bam. Deal is done. $50, simple job. I'll do this thing and I'll close the deal. So I said, okay, I will go ahead and create an offer for this. Since you are ready for me, and I said, once you're ready for me to do the design, go ahead and accept the offer, and then I will proceed with the design ASAP. Thanks. Then I said again, £50 should be around 67 point something dollar right now. I will create the off order for $70. Hope that's okay. And I created the order. You don't need to wait for them to reply. Just create. You get. There's no need for them to. There's no need for you to wait for them to reply to that again. And I said, hello, it's been a while. Are you done with the book design? Sorry, book writing, because she was writing the book. She now said, hi Ella, I have had a busy week. Let me answer your message now. I accept your offer. I have decided to change a word in the book title, so it's fertility over 40. And boom, work was given to me. And here is the work right here. You can see. Let me go to see orders. So this is the order. I already did it and I delivered it. I'm just waiting for the person to accept the work delivered, and $70 enters my account. Although Fiverr is going to charge their own, at the end of the day I'm going to get around $56. Right now in Nigerian currency is over 80,000 naira just for this design. Yeah, so you can see how it works just for this design. So this is the design. This is the design. Let me just show you the design. So for those of you who want to understand how my designs are, so this is the front of the design. This is the full paperback. Yeah, this is the paperback, and then this is the audiobook of the design, and that was it. So guys, I hope this video has helped you to understand how to negotiate with customers, clients, and maybe get a better deal from them. Like I said, this is a digital place for online entrepreneurs where you come to learn how to become successful in the online space. You go out there and start creating your own and start making money for yourself. If this video helped you in any way, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel and turn on your bell notification icon so that you'll get latest updates from me concerning make money online stuff like on Fiverr, Upwork, Amazon KDP, and the rest of them. Alright guys, that is it for me in this particular video. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you.